Welcome! If you want to activate Google Assistant option into a ZTE Blade V8 Lite, first step, go into Google application, this one, and next, where you got your Google account, click it and choose settings option, this one, and then go into Google Assistant. After that, scroll down and find general option. And here we got a Google Assistant, so press here to turn on, confirm operation, and that's it. So easy, right? Thank you for watching, leave thumbs ups and subscribe to our channel.